What I hate about the new Tesla is that it doesn't have ultrasonic sensor, so you can't really see what's in front of you. If there's a curve, a little bump, normally the ultrasonic sensor will detect that. As you can see, we have a car charging right there, but if I didn't pay attention and just pull into this garage, I would have run over the charging wire. Fortunately, with this display that we install in this Tesla Model Y, if you scroll down, you actually can leave this camera on, and this is the front blind spot camera from Handshow. Let me zoom in here. You can see how clear it is. Visible, the wires is right there on the ground. So if you run over this wire with your Tesla Model 3, Y, S, or X between 4,000 to over 6,000 pounds, that's when the cracking start with these wires. So just be careful. If you have two Tesla, two EVs, and you're charging across the garage, consider getting this display. Link in the description, also pinned in the comments. Thanks for watching. Catch y'all next time.